Hey everyone, craving something quick, flavorful, and delicious for dinner? Let's make a super easy shrimp fried rice that's ready in just 20 minutes. Here's what you'll need. First, let's talk about the rice. Add 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the water's absorbed and the rice is tender. Once it's done, fluff it with a fork and let it cool for a bit. And boom, perfectly cooked rice. Now heat up a tablespoon of sesame oil in a skillet. Add your shrimp, season with salt and pepper, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and juicy. Look at that color. Next, we're going to scramble up some eggs in the same pan. Just cook them for 1 to 2 minutes and set them aside with the shrimp. Now add a little more sesame oil to the pan and toss in some garlic and onion. Let it sizzle for a minute and then throw in your frozen peas and carrots. Time for the rice. Add your cooked rice to the pan and give it a good stir. You want that crispy golden texture that makes fried rice so irresistible. Now add the shrimp and scrambled eggs back into the pan. And pour in some soy sauce for that savory kick. Stir everything together and cook for another couple of minutes. And there you have it, a plate of perfect shrimp fried rice ready to enjoy. Top it with some fresh green onions for a burst of flavor. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. You've got a full meal in under 20 minutes. Try this out tonight and let us know how it turns out.